Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
And that will be automatically they will add related with your services, right? Now you can see that they have added their description, and that is start instant. Sometimes may take more time for server overloading. It may be take some more time to start. So, and you can see that speed 20k per day, no refill guarantee. That's mean no refill. They will not give us any refill option. As you can see that for Telegram things, they are not giving any of refill section. You can see that if I go to this service section again, you can see they are not providing any refill option. These are no refill, no refill, no refill, no refill, no refill, no refill. So for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, we saw that they are giving us refill option, no refill option, everything. But for Telegram, they are giving us lots of services, but they are not giving us any refill option. So this is no refill, and order minimum 100 and maximum is 50,000. So let's go to our link, and on this link field we need to add our Telegram link. For example, this is our Telegram link, and then it will take 36 minutes average time. They have selected this one automatically. Now if you want to add your amount over there, that's mean your group members amount, then they will charge it automatically over there, right, related with your amount. So I have selected 30,000 over there, and they are charging us 46.8 dollar. If I put here 20,000, then they will give us 31.2 dollar over there. So this is how you can buy some of the Telegram services from this best SMM panel. And they are providing us lots of services, guys. Dislikes, likes, positive reaction, negative reaction, group members, public channel members, real, fake, mixed, everything they are providing. So this is the easiest way to go to this best SMM panel and buy some services for your Telegram channel. And you can see that they are charging 31.2 dollar for 220,000 amount of group member. Now you can go with this submit option. After submitting it, it will redirect you into your order section, and they will show you a receipt that is your order has been successfully completed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.